Hi, this is Will Cook of the Will Cook Group at Keller Williams Luxury Homes. Welcome back to my video blog. Today we're going to talk about the 3 most compelling reasons to put your house on the market now. "2019 has gotten off to an incredible start as far as our greater Palm Springs area real estate market is concerned. The opportunity to earn the best deal on your house has not yet passed, but it may soon, so there's no time like the present. Let me tell you a little bit about how our market has performed recently. If you look at this first slide, you'll see that for single-family or detached homes, the Valley's median price in March was $415,000, which is 5.9% higher than a year ago. When we measure the median value of the single-family homes in all 9 cities, we see positive year-over-year gains in all of them. These gains will range from a high of 25.7% for Indian Wells down to 1.8% for Palm Springs. In the next slide, you'll see that for condos or attached homes, the median price in March was $290,000, which is 7.8% above a year ago. It's expected that the strength in the condo market is going to continue for the rest of the year, as it finally begins to play catch up to the strong performance that we've seen in the single-family housing market over the last 5 to 6 years. So don't let this recent talk of a market slowdown scare you off from seizing the moment. Experts agree that selling this year will yield far better results than waiting to do so in years to come. So here are the 3 crucial reasons. The first reason is that there has been a huge surge of buyer demand from millennials entering our market nationwide, and that's good news for anyone thinking about selling this year. So that's because the largest cohort of millennials will soon be entering the peak household formation and home buying age. This will have a massive impact on buyer demand across the nation, and locally it should increase the demand on starter, primary, and second homes, which in turn pushes those sellers into the move-up market. So in fact, right now our local data tells us that homes priced over $800,000 are now seeing a decline in the months of sales ratios. The second reason for considering selling your home this year is that rates are still at historic lows. Hovering around 4 to 4.5% on average across markets nationwide, today's rates are still incredible when compared to what buyers could get in the past. So rates are as good as they've been in recent months, but Brexit, the China trade talks, and possible inflation have all created some volatility in interest rates. And remember, the interest rates follow the 10-year Treasury yield. So as the 10-year goes up, rates also follow that. But because of this, the buyers are eager to find a home, get in contract, and lock in on a rate while they still can, and this gives sellers some great leverage. And the third crucial reason is because our housing supply is down. After hearing rumors of a supposed market slowdown, many would-be sellers have been choosing to put their real estate goals on hold. The decline in home sales, plus the large price recovery we've seen over the last 4 or 5 years, has created a general worry that inventory would begin to rise as the homeowners started to put their homes on the market to take advantage of these higher prices. So far, this worry has been groundless, as the Coachella Valley's inventory has not risen. Our local Valley housing inventory as of April 1st was 3,772 units. This chart clearly shows that inventory is at the lowest level it's been for the last 5 years. For many sellers savvy enough to see the big picture, this just means one very important thing: less competition. So it's simple supply and demand. The fewer competing sellers there are in the market, the better chance you'll have to get top dollar and sell quickly. So what does all of this mean for you? It means that now is the time to act if you're thinking about selling. The good news, as I've indicated before, is that our market is still strong for now. And if you get off the fence soon, you will still have a chance to sell quickly and for top dollar. If you're thinking of selling, I would encourage you to look at what your home's value is by clicking on the home valuation button on our video blog website, willcook.net. This calculator will offer a decent estimation of your home's value, but if you're serious about maximizing the results, I'd be happy to offer an in-home in-person consultation, and I'd love the opportunity to give you an even better idea of what you could sell your home for. I'm very familiar with the local market and would be happy to help. I'd be happy to help you take advantage of this opportune moment in real estate. So, if you're ready to take advantage of the current conditions while they last, please give me a call or reply to this email. As always, if you have any other real estate related topics or questions that I can answer, please also feel free to reach out via email or give me a call, and I'd be happy to make a video about it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.